Hi, this is Larry from GMCConversionVans.com. Just wanted to show you this 2019 Pacifica minivan I just took in. This is a mobility van. This is a VMI lowered floor van set up for a passenger to transfer into the seat. It's got a passenger transfer seat in it. Let's take a look at this one. As you can see here, it's a loaded package. It's the dark charcoal gray, has the black wheels, has the lowered floor, has the really nice grille and everything, has the cameras in the front. You see there, it's got the VMI, it's got power doors on both sides. Has the lift there in the floor. Has the tie downs here in the floor. Also has, again, like I said, the transfer seat. Has the seat here in the back. That does flip down and fold down. However, does not lay down into a bed or anything like that. Those front seats are quick release, so if somebody wants to drive a wheelchair up underneath the driver's seat, they can. So you could actually equip this with hand controls and stuff if you wanted to do that. This is the fully loaded model. I believe this is the I have to look here. I believe this is the Touring. This is just the S model, I'm sorry. It does have a plate back here. I'm not sure if that's a trailer hitch, though. I don't believe it is. I don't believe that is a trailer hitch on this one. Has the power lift gate, has a backup camera there. You can see here how it has the pulls here in the back. And this one actually does not lay down because they've lowered the floor. So those seats do stay where they are. Does have ample amount of cargo space back here though. And you got a button up here to lower it, or you can do it off the key fob here that I've got in my hand. And again, you got doors on both sides. This one has 23,904 miles on it. Has the full nav system, AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth. Pretty much fully loaded as far as that end. Got the transfer seat here. Must have a switch here I'm missing. Turn that on. Oh, it may have to have the, bear with me, it may have to have the emergency brake on this one. There we go. Up and down. And then it spins, so there's your transfer seat. Got all the steering wheel controls and everything. Got a big backup camera here with the 360 view. I'll put the lift gate down so it actually has the real backup view, and it's got the 360 view there. There's your sensor. I got somebody coming behind me, so you hear the sensors going on. And there's your map and everything. Hey, here's a shot of the lift out. You can see the van actually kneels down. So it brings the lift down low, so you don't have a very high angle there to go into the vehicle. And then your transfer seat will actually slide forward. So you can slide that out of the way. Also, one other thing I noticed here, it's got two little monitors here in the back. So if you got grandkids or something, they can put their feet up on here. It's got wireless headphones. It's also got some apps and DVD player and stuff, so you can put a disc in so they can watch 2 different movies on this. You've got air controls back here. Got little shades here in the back. This thing's fully loaded. It's got pretty much everything on it, so just wanted to show that to you. But the lift part does work. Just took me a few minutes to figure out how to make it work. Like I said, there's a button inside here. You see there, it slides in real quick. And that door just goes shut. And then the van will actually rise up, because it does kneel down, and the van will rise up and come back to the normal height. As you can see there. So, got any questions, please give me a call. 1-800-860-6673. Thank you.